What's wrong with it?
I just don't like the black stuff that's on it.
Well, honey, pick it off.
But
It just means it's cooked. It's nothing else.
I don't like when my hands get sticky.
You don't?
No.
You still need to eat your dinner.
But I don't like what I eat every day.
What do you eat every day?
I eat cereal
Cereal?
and sausage.
You don't eat sausage every day.
I eat meat.
And that's meat. You like meat.
No, but I don't like that kind of meat.
Honey, it's sausage. You love sausage.
I know, but I don't like that kind of sausage.
What's wrong with it?
I don't like the outside.
Show me. Hold it up and let me see if I can get it off. What's wrong with it?
I don't like that part.
I'm going to pick some of it off. Take a bite of that one. Good? See, you do like it. I thought you said you don't like it.
Jerk.
Huh? A little piece you didn't like? There, now it's all clean. No outside charcoal. Oh, that one piece wasn't good? Okay. What does it look like? What do you think's on the outside of it?
Sticky.
Sticky? Now are you going to eat your dinner? Good. Do you like sausage?
These footballs look like a real football.
Those crackers look like real footballs, don't they?
Mama, now it's too dark to go on the walk.
No, we're still going on a walk, I promise. After you eat a little bit of rice and a little bit of sausage and one cracker. That's right. Cracker. Sausage. What do you think? What's your favorite thing on your plate? You gotta tell me. Take your cup out and tell me, Goofy. What?
This.
What is that?
This.
Spaghetti?
So this.
Oh, what is that?
I don't know.
Rice, Goofy.
I just said it was my tail.
You did.
This new kind.
Daddy made jambalaya. Now you like it?
This is really too hot.
It is? I thought it might be a little hot for you. Maybe you could eat one more piece of sausage.
No.
Good job. A little bit spicy?
I don't like the spicy stuff. I'm never ever gonna eat this again.
Okay. Never ever?
It's too spicy.
It is?
I don't like spicy things. I'm done.
You are? You need to eat one more bite of sausage, remember? Yay! Thank you. You ate one of everything. Ta-da!
I want to walk now.
You do?
Mhm.
Thank you for eating your dinner. Thank
Okay.
you. Okay. You ready to go for a walk?
Mhm.
All right.
Here we go.
Here we